Hi, Lala. So it's our seventh lesson. Hi. Okay, started. Okay, is it everyone can understand Cantonese or there is someone can understand Cantonese? 你明白 Cantonese 嘅係咪？ Okay, okay. So let's count. Okay, we talk about uh, A square is B square. Uh, what is the answer, Yulisa? Can you write down the answer for me? Write down the answer after the equal. Yeah. Okay. So I add one more for you, okay? To memorize, a must to memorize. Add two more, okay? A minus B square would be equal to A square minus 2AB plus E square, okay? This is algebra. 當你學 algebra, if this is a plus 2AB just write down, this would be your home to memorize it. Okay? Down first, 有個 pattern，所以唔難記嘅，你做多記得，你一定會記得嘅。OK，呢度減，呢度減，其他啲嘢一樣，呢度加，呢度加，其他啲嘢係一樣嘅。OK，呢3條線背嘅，所以寫低背咗佢，你會經常做 algebra 會用到嘅。Write it down first. You finish writing, please let me know. Let me know. 抄完未？ Have you finished doing them? If yes, 抄完好。其他學生呢？抄完未？抄完寫個字話俾我聽。
我未抄完啊，我未抄完。
哦，好。Time, take your time. 要背嘅喎，呢幾條式。 你咁叻啊，可以褪走個字啊，將佢擺翻，唔好褪走個字。如果唔係佢哋誒褪個字，嗱嗱唔好褪個字。秋妍話俾我聽下，唔好改嗰啲字啊！如果唔係，其他啲人睇唔到嘅。完咗話俾我聽，Ash copy it. All right. So this is three formula identity you have when you're doing algebra. It's a must to remember them. Be able to look, if I say a square minus b square, be able to write a minus b and then bracket a plus b. Okay? 抄完未？ Okay. Forward. Okay? So if we have A, B, plus A, C, we know common factor. The common factor, this is called common factor. A is a common 共有嘅因素。啊，上你堂，你哋支筆好難寫，寫出嚟啲字唔靚，已經唔知點解。Common factor. A is the common factor. So we take out the factor. So have B plus C. Okay, so this is called, you call it factor. T-O-I-S-E. Factor or factorization. Okay, write down the word you need to know, right? Down first, we study mathematics, we need to know the term. No, when the teacher tell you to do something, what are you talking about? What's the common factor? What does it mean by factorize? It's not like that, all right? So 共同嘅因素，中文就係因素 A 就係佢共同嘅因素，抽個共同嘅因素出嚟，你乘翻落去亦都係一模一樣嘅。抄完話俾我聽，有唔明記住出聲，問到明為止。If you have anything you stand, please ask us to stand. The base is very important. Okay, now let's do it. I have B, C plus, let me, D, C, B. Okay, factorize, factorize the okay, the factorization for me, factorize the common factor. 我好中意你隻狐狸啊，點整啊？我都唔識。
我只係用 AI 啫嘛。
哦，呢嗰度有呢個 function。
嗯
哦，陣間落完堂 send 個 video 話俾我聽點整啊，整下好 Q 啊！落堂先錄個 video send 俾我睇，send 上個群組嗰度啊。factor out 嗰個common factor 出嚟。樂樂，do you hear me？Elisa, you do it. Factor out the common factor。你有個 common 喺度嘅，係咪大家共有嘅 factor？factor 啲 out，撞一題咁樣，factor out the common factor。Right, right, right. No, you have what left? Look at it, what left? You have D and C left. So it's D. Okay, that's what you have. Yes, yes. DC, okay? Let me write it nice. You are good, okay? Here is C. Here is D. So this is what you have, okay? Do you understand this process is called factorization? Okay, understand it, right?
嗯
Okay. 抄咗佢啊！抄咗嗰個共同嘅因素出嚟，你睇到好清楚，睇到如果你抽咗個 B 出嚟，你會剩翻個 C 呢邊係 OK 紫色嘅嘢寫翻出嚟。Student, if you have anything you don't understand, ask me until you understand. Okay, I give you the basic you need to do for next question. So you must understand the concept. You will be able to do the next question. 有嘢唔明問到明，OK？我而家係用緊 personalized teaching，因為我睇到下一條問題，我就俾知識你，OK？令到你能夠鞏固可以做下一題嘅字，下一題嘅數。抄低佢啊！ OK，咁開始做數。We are go the algebraic fraction. We go for 20. Question 20. 1 over minus x squared. Minus 1 over x plus x squared. So we cannot see our common denominator, but what we can do, we need to factorize something, okay? Look at here. We factor the x out. We have 1 minus x. Okay. And here we have x plus, we take out the x, okay? We take out x, then we have 1 plus x. For this part, is it okay? 學生有冇問題？我哋 take out 個 common factor。第一步係 take out common factor。So on the top change。明白點解 x minus x square when you take out the x you got 1 minus x, right? Is it okay? Do you understand? So far 有冇唔明？有唔明出聲喎？冇係咪？可唔可以俾
唔係幾明啊？點解抽走咗之後變咗一嘅？
啊，OK，因為 x 係等於乘 x，係咪等於 x？係咪？ 所以你抽咗個 x 出嚟，係咪等於1？你
嗯
乘翻落去啊，就係一樣嘅啫。x 乘1係 x 等於 x 2次，係咪啊？明唔明白啊？呢度
咩啊？
乘翻落去 x 係咪 x 啊？乘
嗯，
啊，咪正 x 咯，係咪啊？仲有邊度唔明啊？
但係下邊一個係減，一個係加，咁唔係係咪一模一樣噶？
你睇下呢度，呢度係減啊，你你個數係減，你抽咗個去出嚟，係咪變咗減 x 啊？
係
加 x 噶嘛，抽咗個 x 出嚟，係咪仍然有加 x 啊？
係，
即係紅色嗰個，你識唔識轉翻藍色先？
乘翻啦。
咁你問佢減同加。
得唔得
但係
先？
呢個呢兩個要一模一樣噶嘛，下邊嘅數先至可以乘呢個乘。
佢未講完。
好啦，你繼續講啦。
明唔明先？而家 so far 第二步明唔明？Ash 同埋 C 嘅意思 ，Do you understand it?
Teacher, it's okay. Just keep going because I can review it.
Okay. All right. Now, can anyone tell me what is your common denominator? What is your common denominator in here? Anyone can tell me? You see here have 3 different factors. Just times the different factor together. That would be your common denominator. So your common denominator, the first one is x. The second one is x minus 1 minus x. They are the different one. And the third one, 1 plus x. So the same goes to here. X plus x, 1 plus x. Okay, so what about the upper part? Since you want to change to be this, you have to times 1 plus x times this one. So 1 times this one, still 1 plus x. And what about here? If you want to become this, you have to times 1 minus x. So 1 times 1 minus x, still minus x. Okay? So now we can go on. For you, okay? To not make you confused. Let me pull the line together. We have x, we have 1 minus x, we have 1 plus x. Now, when we pull the line together, meaning we have 1 x minus what? Minus the whole thing. This is a binomial. Told you when it's binomial, trinomial, you have to put a bracket. If you don't do so, now the next step, we will, the below one, the denominator, we have nothing changed. Okay, so we need to finish what we do. We need to finish the parenthesis. We need to finish the bracket, okay? So, negative times 1, negative 1. Negative times negative x. Is it okay in here? 有冇問題？ So far 有冇問題？冇問題係咪？咁我繼續噶咯喎。咁跟住最後嗰步 combine the like term. So the below we have nothing changed. X 1 minus x, 1 plus x, nothing changed. But the above will be 1 minus 1. That means 0. Ignore it. Plus 1 minus is 0. Cancel out. So, and then we have plus x, meaning 2x. So this question is done. So your final answer is 2x over x times 1 plus x, bracket 1 plus x times bracket 1 minus x. Then mark our question. Oh, we still can do cancel out. Let's do cancel out. Forgot about it. You have x on the top, x below, we can do cancel, okay? So it is actually equal to 1. Okay, when we cancel out, so this one and this one can cancel out, we still can do simplify. So 1 minus x, 1 plus x, so this would be the final answer. Okay, this one. Okay, good now. 上面個 x 同下面個 x 可以做 cancel out。凡係一上一下，份數一上一下，可以做 out。有冇唔明？有唔明走翻轉頭問，因為題目又係同一個6.1點解？6.7又點解？唔知6.7點解？係咪啲 secret code 啊？
咁啦，我過去攞。
咪攞我電話係。
係啊。
好啊。
It's not random 有學生有唔明真係要問㗎喎，如果你呢題唔明，就一定唔明嘅，啲嘢會深㗎喎。Student, why today is so quiet? No question. Any step you don't understand, tell me. I will explain until you understand. Okay, copy this question, complicated. Copy it and digest the thing.唔好 delete 唔好 delete 嗰啲數，唔係佢哋睇唔到。When you copy finish, please let me know. Focus on the study first, okay? After you finish, you have time to chat. I set the soon to be a longer time for you to stay to chat, all right? Okay. Okay, so next question, you try, okay? $21. X plus 1 over x plus 2 plus x minus 3 over x plus 6. Okay, Ash, can you do this question? Ash? Question for me?
Sorry, I don't know.
Okay. So remember, if you don't understand, you need to ask.
I will just review all the things that you put.
Huh?
I'll just review all the lessons you did.
It is good lesson. If you don't understand, just ask me. Okay? Lola, can you do this question? Có個 question. Lola. The first thing you need to get the common denominator. Okay, in here you cannot see, but can you see any part can do the factorize? 首先 look at 你做呢啲數，你都係 look at 嗰個 denominator first。首先 factorize 啊 ，can you do factorization for the denominator? Yeah, let's put it small. You got it. Actually, you got it. Okay, let's put it smaller. Okay, the first one, let's put it smaller. The first one is, yeah, we do the second the line first. Okay, it's easier for you. Okay, wait a minute. So do the second one. Okay, go ahead. 寫細少少啊，如果唔係就巨大㗎啦。你懂得 factorize 係啱嘅，睇到你已經懂咗啦。
你係咪同啲細佬女玩啊？
Good. High five. Cô 做完話俾我聽，因為我喐唔到嘅，我睇嘅嘢同你唔同步嘅。如果我喐嘅時候，你嗰邊都會變化，所以我唔喐。你做完話俾我聽，我同你 check 數啊。 有兩個人喺度同時掹緊，唔好兩個人同時喺度掹，就會發生而家打嘅狀態噶啦。落做 accept 唔會喐嘅。Okay, okay. Yeah, you're done. Yes, you're done. Okay, let me show you back the step. Very good. You're good job. Okay. So we have 31. Let me show the student. 21 we are doing. So you have 8 plus 1 over x plus 2 and plus x minus 3 over x plus 6. Oh, hold on. Okay, so we get the first one. We cannot do anything for here, right? But the second one, we do something. We rise the 3. So we have x plus 6. Okay, more step to let you see. Okay, I don't want to be too hurried. Okay, x plus 3. So let me put this one, x plus 2. So the other student, do you have problem? Do you have a problem understanding? You look at this one, we can take out the 3. So when you times back, it will be the same. 3x, oh, this is 2, sorry. X plus 2. So we need to check. So we have this mistake, okay? Times it back to is the same, all right? So now what we are going to do, we times the different factor together. So we have one factor, and then this one actually is 3, okay? 3, okay, and plus, so this one is stay the same. Our common denominator is this one, okay? So asking yourself, what about here? If this one change one, what we do, we times 1. That means the above, we also didn't change it. Okay, times 1, it would be the same. Okay, what about for this one? The above, we also need to times 3. The numerator also need to.
Oh my gosh.
So now, we
Pizza
can
cup. Pizza cup.
put them together. So denominator 3, x plus 2, and here times it. This one times it, 3x times it, 3, and then plus what? Plus 呢個係加係影唔向面嘅 ，OK， 直頭加佢落去就 OK。如果係減，你先會影響到佢，加係冇問題嘅。Okay? So, and then we can see here 1 plus can cancel out， 一正一負同一個數可以 cancel out， 所以而家將上面加翻起去 3x x is 4x。 So you have 3x plus 2. This would be your final answer. Mark your final answer. 學生有冇唔明？樂樂做得好好。學生有冇唔明？交咗佢先啦。有唔明問我，直先啦。抄咗佢，慢慢睇，消化佢，跟住即刻慢慢睇。OK，有邊部唔明問我，問到明為止。而家未問過，遲下問嘅。而家有邊度唔明，我再解多一次俾你聽。樂樂唔錯啊，樂樂。樂樂記住，第一步做數一定要 show 出嚟，唔好飛咗第一步仲有分嘅。你考試go to toilet
佢識計數噶啦。
淨係嗰個答案個步驟都非常嘅 ，OK， 係非常重要，唔係都非常重要，係非常重要，因為個大部分分數喺個步驟嗰度。So your working very important because most of the mark in the public exam from your working out, so maybe 1 mark. That's it. You need to show the logic, how it work to the answer. It's a very important part. Copy the question. 開始深噶啦，係咪啲問題？所以我成日講話唔明問到明 ，OK？ 唔好等深嘅時候，你個 gap 越嚟越大 ，OK？ 我哋叫 learning gap， 唔好 keep 個 learning gap 太大嘅時候，就你學習噶啦。Any part you don't understand, just ask me. It's okay. All right? It's nothing wrong with don't understand. It's nothing wrong.
唔好搞啦，係你冇 lift there。
今日太靜喎，今日冇乜人問嘢嘅，其實嘅深咗好多噶喎。
我明嘅，只不過會有啲深深地咯。
深地啊，但你明就 OK， 明就跟住再睇個 video， 然之後
做嗰陣我就明，只不過我諗唔到出嚟咯。
明白明白，所以要 redo 嗰啲 question 咯，重新做嗰啲 question 咯。你只有重新做，自己做，咁你就會明噶啦。答都好重要噶喎。You actually don't understand, then you ask me which part you don't understand. Which part understand? Tell me. Huh? You can always ask. You don't understand. 21. Which part? Here. Which part? Tell me.
頭嗰部分咯，即係要揾個 denominator 麻麻地揾得到咯，一開始。
Denominator. OK. 你首先要問自己個 question。你呢個 common denominator 有冇數可以抽個 factor 出嚟？係咪啊？會做噶咯喎。所以呢個數係有個factor 係3出嚟，咁剩翻咩嘢啊？剩翻 x 呢度有冇唔明？石有冇唔明？開翻個咪，有冇唔明？
有少少咯。
你唔明啲咩先話俾我聽？
即係 你講出嚟我明嘅，只不過我唔係一開始如果叫我做嘅話，我唔係幾諗到呢個 denominator 出嚟咯。
你多啲做你就會諗到嘅。所以你要我喺度教你咯。Eliza 有邊度唔明？問到明為止。由從邊個步驟開始唔明？Everything。首先第一步，OK，我哋 focus 喺嗰個 denominator，OK，so 寫咗個 denominator，我哋睇下呢個 denominator 其實可以分出嚟嘅喎，抽咗個三，我哋就會有 x 加二，因為三乘 x 係三 x 啊嘛，三乘二係六，所以我抽咗個值，我會剩翻 x 加二。OK，跟住上面嗰啲邊個同我查咗啲嘢，照寫翻啦。O 唔 OK？呢度 O 唔 OK 先？第一步 OK，咁跟住第二步喎。第二步我哋要睇下我哋嘅我查咗第一步嘅嘢，唔會睇翻。第二步我哋睇下我哋嘅有啲咩 factor 出嚟。我同你講過，你有一個 factor，兩個 factor。第三呢個係一樣嘅，x 加二係一樣嘅。我哋攞唔同嘅 factor 乘埋一齊，係咪唔同？其實就係三乘 x 加二啊。而我哋嘅 denominator 係三乘括弧 x 加二。OK，so 跟住呢一步，如果呢一步乘三，就三乘括弧二，咁上面又做乜嘢咧？上面我哋都要乘三，所以上面係 binomial，所以你擠翻個括號，三乘 x 加二一 ，alright？呢一邊唔需要做任何嘢啦，一模一樣冇喐過啦，仍然係會掹喺度。跟住另外，OK，distribute 三乘 x 三 x。三乘一三，然之後加係影響唔到後面嘅，所以照寫翻加 x 加減三。如果減括號，因為減會影響到後面嘅嘢，但係加係影響唔到嘅，可以直頭寫落去。All right，然之後跟住下一步就係 simplify。你見有同一個數，正三加三。正三負三其實可以 cancel out，等於冇咗。OK，咁剩翻係三 x 加 x 係四 x，所以我 minus over 3 times bracket x plus 2。All right。好，我哋做翻條淺嘅，我俾時間你溫習，做翻條淺啲嘅。
原來屋企係咁樣噶
啊？
Elisa，原來你屋企係咁樣噶係啊，
有冇唔明？
冇。
The other student, do you understand? Okay, I go back to a easier one, okay? 1 over x plus 1 over x minus 1. C, Zach, can you do this question?
咁咪問你啊，
唔係啊，嗰叫 C27嘅人嚟嘅。
C, Zach, can you do this question?
我
First,
個腦我個腦有啲唔係好識用，你等一等。
好，
我有啲嘢唔想咯。
And what about you? Ash, can you this question? Ash,
Oh, okay.
try,
Uh,
okay?
mm,
Think of your common denominator. Two different factor. Actually, just times the two different factor together would be your common denominator.
Yeah.
You have the factor x, you have the factor x minus 1, 2, when you have two different factor times them together, you'll be able to ，Elisa，你做唔做到呢條題目啊？做唔到？冇温習先，有冇温習啊？
有，但係都唔係好明。
邊度唔明先？你明明呢度有兩個唔同。如果你有1/2，你唔明嘅時候，你諗下呢度減1/3，你點做啊？
係嘛？
點做啊？我哋揾佢 common denominator 咯。既然有兩個唔同嘅 factor 乘埋佢一齊咪得咯，2乘3，6咯，係咪啊？係咪啊？
嗯哼。
你要諗下自己啦。咁既然呢一度係乘3，呢度上面都要乘3平衡翻嘅喎，所以1乘3咪3咯。OK，呢度乘2等於6，係咪啊？上面都要乘2咯，所以2咯。咁跟住你個 denominator 一樣減咯，3用上面減咯，3減1/6，同一個道理去做呢啲題目嘅。Okay? So the first we asking ourselves, what is the common denominator? 兩個 factor 乘埋唔同嘅 factor 乘埋一齊咪係咯，兩個唔同 factor 乘埋一齊咪係咯。嗰個原理係同呢一個一樣嘅。First, asking yourself,
我聽唔到你講咩啊？Me neither. Bro, what are you saying? I can't hear you.
邊個睇緊一仔？
你嗱幫我，你冇幫我信。我嚟你睇邊度？
打喺呢頭。
Rachel, times x, 1 times x itself, okay? And then here, it become this one. Okay, because I times x. So if my denominator of this fraction times x, numerator of the fraction must times x. 1 x is x. Okay? So now, this process is done. So go to the next process. Oh. We one,
喂喂，
then for the top
我諗可以再加上嗰度啦，我嚟啊，
one,
幫我望得唔得？幫我喺個廁所。
you just right,
我收完之後我哋睇下咩食。
and then after that,
你如果睇我哋買咩餸，點咗我買咩？
you can do the cancel out, simplify. So, have
唔好喺我扭埋呢個。
plus x,
我冇呢個，有咩想同你扭啊？
it will be
唔係都俾你。我整緊我塞緊嘢。我話
係咪聽唔到我講嘢，定係發生咩事啊？我又聽到你哋
係
媽媽啲聽到你講嘢咯，啱啱。
咁奇怪，
未有。
就你想咩入房？
咁奇怪嘅。
一樣呢個邊個到未？
唔知啊。
而家聽唔聽到？聽唔聽到？係咪你嗰邊嘅網線出現問題啊？
我聽到啦。
聽到
而家
係咪？
OK 啦。
係 OK。有冇唔明白 ？Hi， 有冇唔明白 ？Elisa，而家好冇？Do you understand now？
我快出高。
呢度有啊。
Yes。Hello。
係抄咗條 question 啦。咁我放慢少少，你哋記住要温習喎，記住要温習。OK？抄咗佢先啦。如果唔明 think of do fraction is the same concept. Think of how you do the question.
搞緊女啊！
四晒，係
Hello。
我仲有張台嘅。
抄咗佢先，記住落咗堂可以從 video 同埋要温習。OK， 因為我同你講過，人嘅記憶係短暫嘅，學嘅嘢係短暫嘅，只有温習。咁我哋將佢變成長期嘅記憶。All right， 温習係個過程需要做嘅。
我冇努力㗎，我哋。
Copy it down. Okay. Next week I change to be the topic. Okay. When you are ready, and then we go in deeper. Remember next week, temporary stop because you English lesson with Roy, okay, an American offer. So it would be a fun lesson. Okay, good.
我 jam 嚟㗎，8成翻
係一定
應該係唔係喐嗰啲。
Okay, only have 5 minutes. Let me do a easy one. Okay. So I go back to the first question that I taught you. 3 over 5x minus 10. So what would you do? And you look at your denominator,
我
okay?
有啊。
So 你做呢一題俾我啊。
OK。Dash
係，
等下，我整翻上啲慢慢。OK。
好。
誒點講㗎？OK 得。 慢慢。OK，X 減
Good.
呢個3。
Good，因為下低上面就要乘翻，要平衡翻去嘅。Very good。其實一直都係同一個 concept 嘅咋，只不過有啲嘢係變化咗，all right，但係 based on 同一個 concept。
差唔多。
乜嘢？係啊。
開始講我哋覺得
我媽媽做美糊啊！
可以啦，
那好嘅。
可以啊，
我
我俾翻你咯，有個計啦。
When you finish, please tell me, okay? Because I can't see below. The thing that you see, okay. 未做 simplify，做咗下低 ，OK。其實呢個已經好 OK 嘅答案，唔需要將佢變為0.5。This is very good. Very good. Fantastic.
好靚啊！
Okay, the other student.
嗰陣人哋嘅
The other student. Okay, I do it one more time in case you don't understand. Okay, good job, Lola. So, what we are going to do, Eliza, we look for a denominator. We know that if here times 2, we have 10x will be the same. So 10x. So the denominator of this fraction times later also needs 2. So it's 6. Okay? So here is 10x. We don't need to change because we change nothing for the denominator. So numerator, we don't need to change 2. And then we know it. With 10x for the above is 6, 1. So it's this question is not done because the 5 and 10 can do reduction. So we do reduction, okay? So 1/2. The 5 and 10 is 1/2. The x cannot do anything, put it back. So this would be final answer. All right? Alexa, delete alarm. OK? 記住溫習 OK? 開開心心咁同其他人喺度傾偈。我要 OK? 拜拜拜拜
拜拜拜拜。
拜拜拜拜。